Alright. Alrighty. We've got this dang blasted Rubik's Cube here. And focus. We're going to give it a few little shreddy rotations here just to get it scrambled. And then I'll give it a bloody red hot go at solving it. Right, here we go. Bam. First bit is done. Second bit done. I'm not going to narrate every bit that I do. But I will say this interesting thing about a Rubik's Cube is that it's actually a relatively pointless exercise. It doesn't really achieve anything. And it's relatively difficult to, to do correctly, as I'm not doing. Right, we need some of these do whackers here. Alright, this one goes up like this, in there like that, and then you get the other one, and that goes, I don't know where that one goes. We'll just get another one, eh? Oh, they're not making it easy. Here we go. I think that's the whole idea, isn't it? It's meant to be a difficult thing to do. Yeah, I guess it is. People do it much faster than I do, because they spend much more time learning how to do it faster and more pointlessly. No, I guess there's more point to doing it faster than ultimately. Pointless is pointless no matter which way you cut it. So, critically low, are we going to make it? A pointless thing done very fast is still fairly pointless in my opinion. Yeah, who cares, man? Just solve the damn cube. Here we go. Bada bing. Bada bang.